Hey guys, welcome to yet another vlog. Good morning. Let's go and wake the kids. It's Saturday over here today and we are vlogging today. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Wakey, wakey. So we are up today and we bless God for today, for the life given to us to see the light of today. So we are making our bed before we get out of the room. And what are we eating today? We'll be having plantain, be making some fried plantains, but hobby is as well washing the bedroom or cleaning the bedroom. So we are doing division of labor every Saturday. We don't plan it. We have never planned it. We just do it automatically. One person doing this, another person doing this. Nobody waits for each other. So that's how we normally do it. So I'm over here making breakfast so that it will be ready on time. Wow. Take a very good look at this plantain. See how yummy, how sumptuous is looking. And I'm still frying some more because we are gonna walk and walk and walk today, so we need to eat a lot. Guys, look at this kitchen. Look at my kitchen, how I left it yesterday evening after cooking stew, soups, and I also baked cake yesterday evening. So today we'll be cleaning, making the dishes. We also be grilling today. And over here is the cake I made yesterday evening. So over to breakfast, I'm still frying some egg and I'm making oats meal or oat porridge. So we'll be having it together with the plantains just like so. I'll be dishing out for the kids. Then we will sit down and enjoy the food and we'll talk to you later after eating. Please, if you are new to my channel, please like my video, share my video and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Thank you for always watching my video. Thank you for your support. Thanks for the thumbs up and thanks for always coming back. Muna chim na-eli ọsịsọ. Mụ na-eli ọsịsọ. Mụ na-elichego. Mụ na-elichego ọkụ ya. Jee dọsa efere gị na sink. Ngwa litu efere gị. You're welcome. Nodan is easy. Nodan kiri topu nni gị na irichebe. Mama, I give me that first. Zinachim, Nodan kiri nni gị. Sọsọ akwa ka ibugodo ụzọ tacha. We are done eating breakfast and hubby is changing the kids' bedspread and the duvet to put it in the machine as we normally do every weekend. Afa nwanne gị nwoke, kedu ihe na-akpọrọ m ka ihe si m na nya gị? Afa gị na-achị mpa. Ka ihe si m ma ọ mee ya nya gị? Doctor. Kedu ihe ji doctor eme? You want to help Zinachim? Mahagin? Yeah. Mahagin ki help Zina? Zina, afọ na-alụ Zina. Gakwuo na afọ na-alụ Zina. Afọ na-alụ Zina. Afọ na-alụ Zina. Afọ na-alụ Zina. So afọ na-alụ Zina, ndị go abụzi doctor ga-treat ya. Ama m na afọ na-alụ Zina. Ọgụ abụ doctor. Ngo abụ doctor ga-treat Zina. Yeah. So again ka m ga-enye gị. Plaster. Or plaster ka ị ga-eji treat Zina. Yeah. Okay. Zinachim, aka na-afụ ya ụfụ. Aka na-afụ ụfụ. Okay. Sim. Yeah. Baby. Doctor Sim. Yeah. Hi, I'm the doctor. Okay. I'm the doctor. I'm the doctor. I'm the winner. Now, go to Zina bonus. This doctor set is one of the best things that happened to me because every weekend they ask or they request for it and I bring it out for them. I continue doing my house chores while they will be busy treating themselves. I do encourage my kids to speak Igbo. That's their mother tongue, because there is nothing like speaking your mother tongue. So now they have like 3 different languages. It's difficult for them to speak Igbo, especially when they are fluent in Norwegian language, because they go to daycare where everybody speaks Norwegian, every kid. So they are used to speaking Norwegian, but I still encourage them. It's not easy, but yeah, I will not give up. So hubby decided to make the dishes. Guys, I'm still busy. Don't think that I'm not doing anything. I'm busy with other things. Like, there are a lot of things to do at home, and I'm making a lot of food at a time because during weekends like this, when I'm at home, I use that time to make food and store in the freezer. I cook in bulk. Yeah? So it takes me months before I cook again. So at a time, we sat down to take some break. Namada Buronko. So I'm taking my tea as well. Tea with some cream. And hubby is not done with the dishes, but at least more than half part of it is done. So we take some break, drink coffee, and start again. Meanwhile, I want to put the kids to bed, to their room. Their room is all set. Hubby has done cleaning their rooms and arranging the bed. So before they go to bed to take some siesta, they have to clean up where they displayed their doctor's whatever. So after cleaning up, I gave them some oranges before putting them to bed. I did not show the part, so they ate some fruits. And I'm over here trying to decorate the cake I baked yesterday. While hubby is making the dishes, the remaining one. So I made lotus cake. I made cake with some lotus. That's what you're seeing on it. The small dots we are seeing on it is lotus biscuits that I put on the cake for my son's birthday. Zina will be turning 3 on 1st of June. So we celebrated it even before the 1st of June because on that 1st of June I will not be available. So we have to celebrate it. I do celebrate their birthday every year. Though not big celebration, but at home. So we just do small mini party, family mini party with cake. And this cake tasted so yummy. I wish you guys are here to taste this cake. Very soft, very fluffy, and so yummy. So I'm putting his name on it. Happy birthday, Zinachim. Then the cake is ready. Very simple cake, very simple and nice. Hapo plaster dinner la ni mona chimunga. Dalola, time for siesta. Oh yeah. Zinachim, close your eyes. Put them to their room. Close your eyes. Good boy. Monachim. Time for siesta. Okay? Kun tete kun je war trampoline. Kun yeni. Kun war trampoline. Oh? Good boys. Go sleep. Oh? Love you. Mommy banyoko. Love you. Hubby is sorting out clothes to wash. Especially the kids' clothes. We must wash it every weekend because they use a lot of clothes at the daycare. So I'm measuring things for the meat pie. I want to make meat pie as well, at least 40 pieces. I'm on video call with my mom while cooking. So I want to marinate the rabbit meat, which I will be grilling this evening. So the rabbit meat, I got it in Arab shop. Guys, I can eat any meat, any fish, anything eatable, I eat it. So I've not eaten rabbit meat before, but I've eaten a lot of bush meat. Maybe I've eaten rabbit meat before, I can't remember, but my dad used to buy bush meat for us once a month. So anytime he receives his salary, he buys bush meat. He buy different types of bush meat, even snakes. We have eaten snakes. Even what is it called again? It's not toad. The other one in family of toad. They call it mbala in Igbo. We have eaten it as well. So I eat anything eatable. I'm a carnivorous animal. So don't come close to me. I will eat you. Oh, hubby spreading some clothes outside while the kids are outside playing. Oh my god, the weather is so nice today. The weather is very good. Around the 24 degrees. So we'll be outside throughout the evening. I love it when the weather is like this. Not too hot, not too cold. So after jumping on the trampoline, we are having our lunch. And the lunch is some potatoes, fish pin, some meatballs, and a touch of ketchup. So that's what we'll be having for lunch. This is one of Mona's favorite food to eat. Like, he finishes it just the blink of an eye. He will finish and request for more. Zena loves it as well, but he's not a fan of potato. But if you encourage him, he eats the potatoes. So after making the meat pie, I decided to make some sausage roll because Mona is not a fan of meat pie. So here is it, sausage inside. Mona is not a fan of meat pie, but if you give him sausage roll, he will eat almost 10 at a go. But if you give him meat pie, he just eat the crust and leave the inside for you. This is just the table, Nilo. Momo, you dey see you can anya just the table, Nilo. We are taking things out for grilling. This is evening, so we use it as our evening food or as our dinner. So time to grill. Bring your meat, bring your sausage. Let's do some grilling.
It's fire.
Ọkụ, ngakwa n'ọkụ.
Mama, it's fire.
Ọkụ ga-adakwa gị Mona, agakwana nso.
Mama, it's fire. Mama,
the meat is almost ready. I can't wait to dive in. Summer is my best part of the year because it's less stressful. Please, you just allow the kids to be outside to play, and once they play a lot like this, they don't give you too much wahala and they don't scatter inside of the house because they are busy playing outside. Once they come inside, it's just to pee or to eat, and then you just be busy with your things while they are outside playing. And other things that made me to like summer is grilling. I love grilling because that's when I eat a lot of meat, fish. Sometimes I grill mackerel fish. My meat pies are ready. Even the sausage roll, it came out very well. See how beautiful, how sumptuous it's looking. Come and have your own, guys. And now the sausage is ready and the kids are having fun. They enjoy eating sausage, especially Monachin. Monachin can eat like 3 of these at a go. So, and this one I wrapped it with bacon. So it tasted so good. Come and join us. They are speaking on phone with grandma. Grandma is always on phone. Time for ice cream, Jare. The weather is so hot. So another thing I love about summer is that we eat a lot of ice cream. So now it's time to fill up the pool for them. So I just finished blowing it up with my electric pump. Then I put some water and some toys for them. Gun, balls, boats, so that they will be playing with it. And we stay inside here because the weather is hot. This is where we take our bath. And I have my own as well. I have filled water inside my own as well. I'm twerking for you. Twerk, 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 twerk. Guys, I thought we would not be eating any other thing today, but here we are eating some meat pie. And the next day, we celebrated Zina's birthday on Sunday. This is Zina dancing for you guys on his birthday. Zina loves dancing. Anytime he hears music, he just starts dancing. He loves dancing a lot. And my son is officially 3 years old today that I'm posting this video. Zina is 3. Happy birthday, son. We love you, mommy, daddy, Mona, your YouTube uncles, your YouTube aunties, grandma, grandpa loves you. Here is the picture we took after the birthday. We ate, we danced, and we married. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate you for always coming back to watch my video. Remain blessed and see you in my next one. Bye.